I just wanted to let you know that as adults, we're here for you, and it's great to see the adults out here that are participating in this as well and whatnot, to let you know that they're here for you. We're here for you. Mr. Bashard is here for you. All the kings and queens that are taking part in this. Stevie, I want to thank you so very much, man. Thank you so very much for even letting me speak. And all the men and women out here with their children, they need it. And Lord knows we need it today more than any time in our history. Do we not? You know, so.
Hi friends, Mr. Stevey here, and welcome to Mr. Stevey Meditates. Today, I wanted to make a short video about Saturday's big event, Mr. Stevey and Friends. It was our first in a series of free outdoor events featuring arts, education, and mindfulness activities for local students and their families. And it was absolutely amazing. We did live meditation tutorials and demonstrations. We had free food. We gave away lots and lots of prizes. We had special guests, and it was absolutely wonderful. And none of it would be possible without this very special partnership between the Newtown Nation, Inc., the Newtown Farmers Market, Van Wezel Artworks Anywhere, and the Van Wezel Foundation. I would also like to give a special thanks to Rough and Ready Media, Evie's Golf Center, and Modern Marimba. I would also like to give a big shout out to the children, teens, and parents who showed up and learned about meditation and mindfulness, as well as all of the volunteers who helped make this event a success. Thank you, friends. If you weren't able to make it to our first Mr. Stevey and Friends event, that's okay. I'm inviting you to the next one, which takes place Saturday, April 24th at the Newtown Farmers Market in Sarasota, Florida. Stay tuned for more details. Now, check out these highlights from Saturday's event.
Like I said, my name is Mr. Stevey. This is Mr. Stevey and Friends. This is a free event that is sponsored by the Newtown Nation, which Miss Valerie is the president of. She was very kind enough to let us do this here for free because we care about you. It's also sponsored by the Newtown Farmers Market, where we're at. Also, the Van Wezel Arts Works Anywhere, as well as the Van Wezel Foundation. They have been kind enough to let us do this with the Newtown Farmers Market and the Newtown Nation. I'm just so glad you guys are out here. I'm just so happy that you're here. Let's see who wants to win this one. This has to do with why medicine. Those of you who were here when we were talking about why meditate. I want to hear some answers. Here we go. Who's first? Who shot up first? Be real. Okay, go ahead. Why? Wow. That was an excellent answer.
What do you think?
He said his answer was to stay calm. That's why we meditate. But there's other ways to meditate. If somebody can give me another answer for why we meditate, I'll give them another book. Somebody give me. Go ahead.
Listen, man. All of you guys are important. You guys are my future. And I just want to do anything that I can to help further your future.
I see. It's great to see you all out here participating in this meditation event. That's what this is, a meditation event, exactly. You know, it gives you a time to sort of reflect and go inward and look at yourself and sort of see the desires and the dreams that you want for your life and where you want to be in your life. For the children, I want you, one thing I want you to do, this is the message I want to leave you with. Listen to your parents. Listen to your parents. Trust me when I say this. Listen to your parents. A lot of times I know you think that they don't know anything or they don't know. Trust me, they used to be you. And so a lot of the things that you are going to go through right now, today, and tomorrow, and continuing forward in your life, they have been through. So just listen to them. They have your best interest at heart at all times. You know, they don't mean you any sort of bad or ill will or anything like that. They have your best interest at heart. Just know that they love you, that they care about you. Am I correct out there? Oh, yes. Yeah. That's why they're here today, because they love you and they care about you. That's why Stevey's here today, because they love and they care about you. And all the adults out here, because they love and they care about you all. And I appreciate you all in being here and allowing me to speak to you. I'm humbled, and I really, really, really appreciate it. Thank you so very much. And children, thank you from the bottom of my heart. I thank you.